Alright, so this is video 1, and I'm just going to go ahead and pull up the emulator here. That may take a moment to come up. Alright, so there we go, our emulators up. Got it to the home screen. Now we're going to go ahead and run the app with the flutter run command. Alright, so the app is now loaded onto our emulator. I'm going to go ahead and expand this guy if possible. Maybe. Alright, just so we can see a little bit more. So now we got that expanded. We have this start. I just have it counting from like 0 to about 10. And basically we loaded these images on the screen in a row. And whenever we did that, you can, I believe the right term is append them. But basically you make sure that they don't run off the screen. If they run off the screen, if there's like a size error or issue, it resizes the picture to where it can fit everything onto the screen. And then these are all in a list and it's scrollable. And these icon button, or this icon button, this flat button and the raise button, they're 3 different button types. Whenever you click on them, upon clicking, it's going to have an alert message that pops up on the screen just saying flat button pressed, icon button pressed, raise button pressed. In here, this is called a drawer in the top left. The drawer, we have an account or contact. So we have HSung, you can load a picture for the contact and then also add an email or whatever text that you want there. And then the rest of the drawer options are going to be listed here. So in the drawer, you can have it listed all the way down at different options. Right now we only have 2. So CS department is what was gone over in the lecture. I have a different picture, but this is the picture I used. Department of Computer Science, Edmond, Oklahoma, an icon, along with just the text of symbolizing 3,100 likes. The enrollment, undergrads, their code is 450, grads 31. And then just a short description, just a display really. This page doesn't do anything. But that's all that we have gone over in the lecture. And then you can go back, upon going back to the lesson 1 homepage, the drawer automatically closes due to the code that we have put in there. And that's everything that's went over in the lectures. I'm going to go ahead and end video 1.